screw is pulled out and another goes in, and the lathe never stops for the change of a pin. And nobody asks what it held through the night, or how long it was holding alone out of sight. They can measure my speed, they can measure my rate, and the number comes back looking clean on the slate. But the gate I am facing won't move for a chart. It opens where somebody's evening falls apart. You can hand him the desk and the door and the key. You can copy the file where they filed away me. Who stayed in the room when the room had turned cold? Who knew your whole face before the story was told? Am I just a part? Then my going leaves bare one kitchen, one table, one long empty chair. One sentence I dropped in a hallway one day still holds up a ceiling somewhere far away. The system can rule that I'm easy to lose on paper. The change is a change I can't refuse, but the child at the door doesn't add up the cost he is counting to one, and that one can be lost. You can hand him the desk and the door and the key. You can copy the file where they filed away me. Who stayed in the room when the room had turned cold? Who knew your whole face before the story was told? Who signs for that? Who keeps that account? Who stayed in the room when the room had turned cold? And who put down the hour? And who fixed the amount? And who gets to sell